Welcome to the journey of mastering the Level A1 test of German language. There is a song with lyrics for every lesson, making it easier for you to learn everything quickly. Improve your vocabulary step by step. We make the grammar a piece of cake for you. For best results, visit our free German language course as often as possible. Easy to understand texts support your learning progress. Keep practicing exercises. Welcome aboard. Let's have a quick listen to today's song. You'll hear it in full at the end of today's lesson.
So nice, learning German makes me happy. Come to my course, make it happen.
Grammar is a piece of cake. In this first lesson, we begin with the basics. Today we will talk about German nouns. Do you know what a noun is? A noun is any word that refers to a thing. A book, for example. Or a person like a teacher. Or an animal like a cat. Or something abstract like a dream. All these words are nouns. In German language, every noun has its own gender. There are 3 noun genders in German: masculine, feminine, and neuter. Yeah, I know that sounds weird. English and many other languages do not have a comparable system, so noun gender is difficult for a lot of people learning German. Fortunately, you came across our German language course. Together we will master the noun genders, and together, we will master the German Level A1 test. To distinguish the genders, there are certain small words called articles. From the English language, you already know the English article, the. There is only this single one in English. In German, there are 3 articles. There is one main article for each of the 3 genders: masculine,
Der,
feminine,
die,
and neuter.
das.
Find just 3 main articles, you can handle that. Please remember, every time you learn a new German noun, you have to memorize this noun along with its article. For example, if you learn the German word for tree,
A Baum,
then it is not enough just to learn this word on its own without its article. You have to learn it together with its article. The tree means.
der Baum,
That's rather simple. If you know the correct article for the noun, then you know its gender, right? In the vocabulary section, you will learn today more masculine nouns and how to say, this is. That's enough grammar for today. Let's learn some more vocabulary. Time for some new vocabulary. Please listen to the following text and try to memorize the German words and expressions. We learn now some masculine nouns. The table,
der Tisch,
the dog,
der Hund,
the tree,
der Baum.
We learn now how to say this is. This is.
Das ist.
This is the table.
Das ist der Tisch.
Please be aware that the German word das has 2 different meanings. It can mean this, like in this is. And it can be the article for neuter nouns, meaning the, like in the house. Please listen once again and repeat the German words.
The table, der Tisch, the dog, der Hund, the tree, der Baum. This is, das ist. This is the table. Das ist der Tisch.
Now it's your turn. Please, listen to the English words and expressions, and then tell me the correct German translation. The table,
Der Tisch.
The dog.
Der Hund.
The tree.
Der Baum.
This is.
Das ist.
This is the table.
Das ist der Tisch.
You are doing great. You need some more challenge? How do you say in German? This is the tree.
Das ist der Baum.
This is the dog.
Das ist der Hund.
Wow, amazing. You will learn German quickly, that's for sure. Please listen to the following German text and then repeat it out loud. It is crucial for your success that you speak out loud and don't just repeat in your mind.
Das ist der Tisch. Das ist der Hund. Das ist der Baum.
Please repeat once more.
Das ist der Tisch. Das ist der Hund. Das ist der Baum.
Please pause this video and copy this simple text into your exercise book. That's fantastic. Together we make progress every day. You have learned a lot today. Now you understand the concept of the noun genders in German. You know some masculine nouns and you can say, this is. Finally, it's time for our new song called Learning German Makes Me Happy. Listen, sing, enjoy.
Das ist der Hund, das ist der Baum, das ist der Tisch, das ist der Tisch. Learning German makes me happy. Come to my course, make it happen. German nouns have gender, no surprise. Feminine, neutrum, that's so nice. Learning German makes me happy. Come to my course, make it happen. Don't forget the masculine matches greatly feminine. Das ist der Hund, das ist der Baum. Learning German makes me happy. Come to my course, make it happen. German nouns have gender, no surprise. Feminine, neutrum, that's so nice. Learning German makes me happy. Come to my course, make it happen. Don't forget the masculine matches greatly feminine. Das ist der Hund, das ist der Baum. Learning German makes me happy. Come to my course, make it happen. German nouns have gender, no surprise. Feminine, neutrum, that's so nice. Learning German makes me happy. Come to my course, make it happen.
Sounds good, doesn't it? Then you could give us a like and ring the bell. You're about to learn German fast. You will learn even faster if you subscribe to our channel. See you again soon.